September new moon merges with September 9th gateway, uncovering secrets and overcoming fear. This new moon will help you uncover secrets and overcome your fears. And this will lead to more confidence and success. The new moon will be precisely at 2:01 p.m. on September 9, 2023. If you're looking to set intentions for the moon cycle ahead, Astrology.com said, this lunation is perfect for breaking down complex problems and finding simple, step-by-step solutions. September holds the vibration of number 9. In numerology, number 9 represents the completion phase before a new cycle begins, and that is exactly what September has in store for us all. After many eclipses and retrogrades, September is our month to clean up and tidy up all the energetic baggage we have been dealing with. It is a month to get organized and to sort through all that has been removed and all that has been left behind. September is also a month to honor just how far you have come. Think of September as graduation month, a time where you can celebrate the lessons learnt and the journey you have traveled this year so far. September is going to continue to highlight this theme, especially with the September 9th gateway and the new moon in Virgo, which also happens to fall on the 9th. The 9/9 gateway and the new moon are going to help us to get grounded and will allow us to see things clearly. Together these energies are going to bring a lot of clarity and will help us to make sense of things that have been cloudy or uncertain. This newfound clarity is going to allow us to feel awakened and more confident when it comes to the next phase of the cycle. This clarity is also going to be extremely healing, and will help us to tune into the wisdom of our mind, body, and soul. The significance of 9. In numerology, the number 9 is also highly significant as it is said to represent endings and a time of clearing out the old so the new can emerge. Number 9 also represents an increase in universal awareness and a time where truth and information is to be revealed for the higher good. All of this number 9 energy is enhanced on the 9th day of the 9th month, and perhaps we will all be feeling a sense of completion or that something is being wrapped up for good, now. Down to the new moon energies and how they will affect each zodiac sign. First off, let's see which 4 zodiac signs will be feeling this new moon the most intensely. Gemini, May 21st to June 20th. This is a time in which you, as a Gemini, could really figure some important things out. Stardust says, your inner philosophies and structures are changing, as you are buzzing with new ideas. Opening yourself up to the universe right now may allow you to find your true self. Don't be afraid to be vulnerable during this new moon, Virgo, August 23rd to September 23rd. The new moon is rising in Virgo this September, and that means you'll definitely feel its effects. Stardust says, the weight of the world may currently be on your shoulders, however, you have the mental capacity and determination to take on any challenge and use it to your advantage, simply by showing others how mentally, emotionally, and spiritually strong you are. Sagittarius, November 22nd to December 21st. This is an important time at work, but also an important time to focus on yourself a bit. Stardust says, work matters push you into the limelight. However, it may be challenging to balance personal and professional life during this time. Best advice, give your career one last push to the finish line to complete tasks and receive new projects, then take some downtime to unwind from these stresses. Pisces, February 20th to March 20th. This new moon could mean a big relationship moment is about to take place. Stardust says, this new moon offers you insight into your intimate relationships, allowing you to decipher which people to invest your energies in. This may cause friction with others, or bring partnerships to new heights. Trust your gut and let your intuition be your guide. Okay, so if your sign wasn't on that list, you will still feel the positive changes this new moon has to offer, but your powerful month is coming up right around the corner, so hold on. Libra, September 23rd to October 22nd. Balance may be your middle name, Libra, but that doesn't mean it comes easily. The truth is, with so many different viewpoints to consider and so many contradictions to sort out, it takes a lot of work for you to arrive at anything resembling inner peace. If you're overloaded with too much information, and these days, who isn't, take some time out at this new moon to process it all. Scorpio, October 23rd to November 21st. You're not exactly what we'd call a joiner, Scorpio. It takes a lot for you to let your guard down. So before you get involved with a group, you need to make sure that they're the real deal. But if you can't find any group worthy of your participation, there's a good chance you're being too selective. At this new moon, consider lowering the bar just a little. Capricorn, December 22nd to January 19th. It's not easy walking a solitary path, Capricorn, you need something to light the way. Having a personal philosophy, code of conduct, or religious belief to live by can keep you honest and help you make sense of this crazy world. The last thing you need, though, is a lot of dogma and rules that make life even more complicated. This new moon offers you both structure and simplicity. Aquarius, January 20th to February 18th. You know love's not about keeping score, Aquarius. But if you want to have a healthy relationship, you've got to play fair, and nothing's fair about a situation where one person does all the giving and the other all the taking. If the power balance in your relationship feels a little off, this new moon nudges you towards an arrangement that's better for both of you. Aries, March 21st to April 19th. We'd all like to think we're invincible, Aries, but even daredevils like you have to take care of themselves. Whether it's eliminating junk food, quitting cigarettes, or seeing a therapist, chances are there's something you can do at this new moon to improve your health and well-being. It may not sound exciting, but it might make you a bigger badass, if that's even possible. Taurus, April 20th to May 20th. Handcrafted creations that are both beautiful and useful. Sports that make you feel like a kid again, while getting you back in shape. Addictive puzzles and games that can help keep your mind sharp for years to come. Whatever floats your boat, Taurus. This new moon is all about pursuing pleasures with a practical purpose. Cancer, June 21st to July 22nd. Flow charts, spreadsheets, bullet lists. You've got them for every occasion, Cancer. But not everything in life can be fit into neat little categories, and the more you try to make them fit, the more confused you get. At this new moon, try to save your brainpower for the really important questions and let the other stuff go. Leo, July 23rd to August 22nd. Need to haves and nice to haves. It's not always easy to tell the difference, Leo. But here's a hint, if you're not actually using it, you probably don't need it. This new moon is a great time to sort through your possessions and simplify your life. Chances are, there's a lot of stuff taking up space in your closet that could be put to better use by donating it to someone in need. Operator, if you like our article, give Conscious Reminder a thumbs up, and help us spread love light. Operator.